My girls are twinning. They've twinned every day since the end of October. But of course I have to do their hair. I was scrolling Instagram the other day and I seen on one of my friends from high school her post, and she had some waffles that looked super buttery and like delicious, and they were like covered in syrup, and she said keto, and I think she even said it was like 1 or 2 grams of carbs, and I was like, I need the recipe please. And she was kind enough to send me 2 YouTube tutorials on how to make it. Y'all, I'm almost done with my food. I didn't even finish it, and I was like, I'm not even gonna play. I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of this because this is so good. I want to eat it all. Just jumped out of my car, and look, a penny and its own heads. My mom used to always say that when you find a penny and its on heads, you never walk past it because it's good luck. We are at Walmart. We're about to do some shopping for some less fortunate kids, and there goes Daddy. Can you see the daddy? Daddy. Okay, let me get the baby out.
Parking.
Huh?
Where is parking?
I parked right here. Is that okay with you? I'm out the street. Come on ahead. Come on ahead. You don't really need a beanie, boo. Look at my booty butt.
I'm cold.
Booty butt was napping. And guess what? I brought the camera, but it's... Hi, baby. I love you. Careful, careful, careful. There is a line to get into Walmart. It hasn't moved once, and it's like all the way back there. When we got here, there was no line at all. We were like the first person or the third person in line, and they haven't moved once. It's kind of crazy. To keep her from being bad. Hi, Mama. Hi, pretty.
Mom, this is what I found.
Huh?
This.
Yeah, you have to put that on your Christmas list. This looks really nice. Everything you see today, this is so that you can go home tonight and make your Christmas list, okay? She pooping? Don't do me like that. I did not bring no materials. What's the next family?
A baby toy.
Okay. Baby girl or boy?
Girl.
Like a teether?
Sensory toys.
Okay, that's the stuff over there. Oh, if it's sensory toys, that's that first aisle right here. That's bigger than teethers. What age? Oh yeah, she's still over there. Nerf is at the end, and Family Games is right here to the right.
We need what?
You said what age is the Family Games? 9, so they're older than these. So I think a card game like Uno. A card game like Uno, which is $5.
$5?
And should we have something to go with it, or this is it? Okay, let me get a good pack. For the same person?
Yeah.
Oh, I was gonna get him Uno and Dos. I don't know. Uno Dos is like part 2. I never heard of those. So that's 15, and then what's the sibling you said?
That's it for them.
Oh, okay. We survived. We survived 25 kids, and we were able to get them all something for the holidays, which is a blessing. It's a blessing to be a blessing. It is now dark outside, but we survived. I've got the sanitizer in hand so I can sanitize them all, and I'm gonna wipe her down with some baby wipes as soon as I put her in the car. It's time to have some dinner. And oh, most important thing, gift bags. And they gotta be grouped. Groups together and gift bags. Cody's right there, and her Barbie dream house is right here. So I'm gonna put it in a black trash bag to conceal it And then this right here is a bunch of bags of gifts that I got from Target pickup yesterday. They have no idea those are Christmas gifts. They think their gifts are getting packaged at the North Pole.
It gotta be keto, because I don't never be hot.
I had to drip my baby. I got him these cute Jordans off of StockX. I was gonna get him for the girls too, and I'm like, Diamond needs to have his own little drip. He don't need to be matching the girls. So trying to get my baby drippy. Let me see. Oh, let daddy wiggle your foot.
Go.
Stand up. Oh, daddy can't. Is there? That's good. That's a 1. Last time I checked, he was a 13. I tried to size up. Oh, these look cute on. Daddy, they got your size in these? You like these? Really? Walk away. Show daddy how they look cute on. They be cute with the red laces too. Don't they look good on his foot? Okay, so I'm at Chick-fil-A. I was just here at 6:23. It's 7:15. Oh, they take your license plate number. Hi.
How are you tonight?
I'm good, and you?
The name on the order?
Ashley.
All right, Ashley. So it's gonna have 1 Chick-fil-A sandwich, and then I got a Southwest spicy grill with a creamy salsa, a side salad with avocado lime ranch.
Yes.
And then 2 Chick-fil-A sauces on the side. And it's gonna be cash or card today.
Oh, card.
Card, you got it. The total will be, give me 1 second, 1920. Go ahead. All right, Ashley, you are set to go.
Perfect.
My
Thank
pleasure.
you.
Have a good night.
Okay, so this is the first time in Chick-fil-A history I think they've ever messed up. Chick-fil-A is probably the only place I can come and get a meal where I trust that I don't have to like check my bag to see if they put everything in it. But of course tonight when I'm on keto.
What was the name on the order?
Ashley?
Perfect. You're all set. You're gonna be pulling it after this time.
Okay. So I get home, I got 3 kids meals. I got 2 small mac and cheese, 1 for each of the kids, a large mac and cheese for Derek, a large french fry for Derek, and a 12 count of nuggets for me. I'm the only one on the diet restriction, and guess what they forgot? My stuff. So I set them up. I brought all the packages in. You guys seen Diamond got some new shoes, but I had to come back and get my nuggets because I have kind of been doing dirty keto the last couple of days just because, number 1, I need to go to the grocery store and get me some salmon because that's really what I want to make. I also want to make some buffalo chicken dip, but I'm just really funny about like handling raw meat if I'm gonna actually eat it. So I want to get a rotisserie chicken. Basically I need to do a Costco run, but tomorrow I won't have time, so I'm gonna have to do it on Saturday. So see, it's just a lot. Today we did the toy drive stuff and that consumed our entire day. It's 7:20 now, so by the time I get home I'm gonna eat my nuggets, clean up the living room a little bit, do the dishes, and by the time you know you do all of that, it's 9 o'clock. Time to do bedtime routine with the kids and then get to work. So there's a lot going on, but that's where we're at. Maybe an update on keto. I feel like I have keto foggy brain. I don't even know what to call it, but it's just like I feel like I am impaired, like I can't put my sentences together properly. Even last night doing a voiceover, I always stumble my words naturally. You guys know I kind of stumble a little bit with my nerves, or sometimes I'll talk too fast and stumble, but lately I just will sit there and I really can't just think of what I'm trying to say. Like I just literally be stuck. And I just realized my rear view mirrors are tucked in. How do I open them? Oh, there you go. Okay, I just got home. They gave me my nuggets. I went ahead and checked the website just to be certain. And for a 12-piece grilled chicken nuggets, according to this, it is, where is it? 2 carbs. So this is 2 carbs. This is no carbs. I'm gonna add more cheese, and cheese is, an ounce is a carb. Okay, so that's about how much I have. I don't think that's an ounce, but I'll just say a carb. Some egg to it, cut these in half and put them in there because these are actually no carbs. But I'm not really in the mood for egg. I'm not even that hungry, to be honest, so I don't need it. Throw your grilled chicken nuggets in it. I'm gonna do about 5 just to make sure I get full for the night. But if I'm up till 2 a.m. by like 11, I might need something. I'm gonna put these in the refrigerator and they'll be good to go. My favorite Chick-fil-A dressing is the avocado lime ranch. This one here is 3 carbs for the whole packet. 6 carbs for my dinner. That's not bad. Time to eat and get to my babies. Okay, so I'm currently trying to redo my Christmas tree. I don't really feel like it, so I feel like I'm gonna have to do it again. But I was like, why does my tree look a little bit weird? And it's because these that I got from Z Gallery and these that I got from Target, I used as tree toppers up top. So I didn't have them throughout the tree last year because I was like, something's missing, and I'm like, oh, I don't have a tree topper. So I'm about to rearrange it so that these are actually the tree topper the way it was last year. So this huge box, it was actually 2 boxes. It came from my parents, my dad, and my stepmom. They sent the kids, Derek and I, our Christmas gifts early, and so she said, or my stepmom said, 2 packages were going to come today and one is supposed to come tomorrow. So I promised them that I would not open the packages, and I started opening my stuff that I ordered for the kids, and I started with that one, and I opened it and I'm like, why does it, I didn't order this, what is this? And I realized like, oh freak. So I didn't really look at everything in there, but I'm gonna go ahead and tape it back because I wasn't supposed to open it. Another one of the boxes was a Walmart order. I ordered some more bulbs. I got these from Walmart last year, or so I thought. I thought I was ordering this size, but look at the difference. They're huge. They're actually pretty, they're beautiful. But I ordered 4 of each, or ordered 4 silver, 4 gold. And look, I thought I was ordering this gold, but this is like champagne gold. This is like yellow gold. So I'm definitely not using these. But for when we buy our forever home, I am trying to like build my fleet of like ornaments in each color. So I'm not going to return them, especially because it's just so hard to return shit these days. I ended up getting some keto strips because I just want to keep track of if I'm in ketosis or not. Also, I bought a bunch of snacks. This isn't even all of it. So the other stuff I'll show you when it comes, but all of this came from Amazon. I found these Quest. I've always seen these in the stores. Or is it considered? It looks like Taco Bell, but it's just a tortilla style taco, lower loaded taco flavor, and it's 4 carbs for the whole bag. And I figured, I'm not a chips girl. Like, I never ever eat chips. And we have chips in our house like 100% of the time. I don't eat chips like that. Yes, boo?
Got a soundbite for you.
What? Ew! But I can make nachos with these, like buffalo chicken dip. You know, sometimes you need a cracker. Since this whole bag is 4 carbs, I can, you know, use it as my cracker or my nachos or whatever the case may be. These, I've always seen these like in the stores and stuff, and I've never tried them before. This is Quest and this is Quest. Don't know if I'm gonna like these. I'm not even a candy bar type of person, generally speaking. My vice is fruit and fruit juice. Yeah, good to have options. This is something that I thought would be really good because if I do have a candy, it's usually Snickers or chocolate or peanut M&Ms. So I thought I would try these. They're chocolate peanut candies, and the whole bag is a carb. I think I showed you Diamond's shoes. I really love these. I wish I had these for me. I offered to order some for Babe, but he said this isn't his style of shoes. So Diamond's gonna be really cute in these. And then I treated myself to my own little personal stocking stuffer. I've been wanting a Polaroid camera for years, but especially last year, I really wanted one during the Christmas season, and I just never got it. So I'm actually really excited about this, but I forgot to order some film. And I hope I got the right one, but I was very picky about the one I picked. I wanted one where the film comes out like this. I didn't want it the like vertical way, and I want to be able to like write stuff at the bottom. So super happy about this. Okay, quick update. Definitely looking a whole lot better in here. I'm gonna start hiding the else probably this weekend. I just haven't been up for like every day finding a new home for them, so they're gonna see them there tomorrow, and then I'm gonna start doing some creative stuff every night for them. I have these sitting up here just because, you know, why not? I got these from Target. I think they're like $5 or $10 each. I thought about getting, they have this in this color, in these 2 sizes, and then they have it in the green as well. So I'm thinking about getting 2 green ones to kind of fill it in. But this year it seems like a lot of stores almost just put out like what was left of last year. Like none of the stores got a full stock, in my area at least, of like Christmas stuff. So I probably would have picked something different, but these do have that champagne gold glitter, so it kind of ties in with the tree, and this is her. Now you guys know I got the pampas grass and I love it. I got it from Amazon. It wasn't meant to go in the tree, but I just did not space out the branches on the tree as nice as I did last year, so there were a lot of holes in it. So I was like, let me just use this to fill it in, because I don't know why, but I just don't feel like, you know, picking apart the tree. But I think it came out pretty good. I still have to go back up there and kind of fluff that part up of it so that the tree topper can look a little bit more grand. And I did add these strips of ribbon. I wish I can find something similar but thick, even if it was a different like type of print, but it just kind of adds a little bit of filler to the tree. Now I did run out of bulbs. Like I don't know if I'm missing a case of bulbs or what happened, but I don't have as many, so the bottom is bare. The good thing is there are so many gifts coming in that like once they're wrapped, it's gonna cover here. Also, Dominic is at the age where she's gonna, you know, mess with this, so it's okay. And then I used a command hook to put that there, which is kind of ghetto. I wish I had something else, but that'll do for now, just to get it off of the Peloton. Kind of want to get rid of this. I'm kind of over it. And then I kind of want to get rid of the ottoman here, but you know, it's gonna stay for now. And then I got rid of the kids toy box right here. All their toys are gonna go upstairs. No more toy box downstairs. It is going to the trash, I think, in the morning. But I actually really like it. Like I like this thing, but I don't think we should keep it. Should we keep it, babe?
For what? Hey, I was about to go, instead of me doing motherfucking Walgreens pictures, does this make the pictures automatically?
Oh yeah, but I gotta get some ink, not ink, but paper. I thought it came with paper, but I gotta get some from Target. And then this is kind of ghetto. A wreath does not belong on the bathroom door, but I'm probably gonna just take it tomorrow and hang it on our actual front door. But if you see the whole house, like if you're in here, it kind of like ties everything together to be there. So I don't know, I might put it here, might put it outside. I thought I had 2 of these, but again, I think a couple things are missing. Happy the house is kind of put together because it was looking crazy in here this morning or this evening. That's it.